ready, guys, for our game show reality? So, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Yun. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Game Reality, the show where we explore the cutting edge of gaming through augmented and virtual reality. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic games of all time, Minecraft. But with a twist, we'll explore how Minecraft VR transforms the experience from screen to sensation. So sit tight, this is going to be a blocky adventure. Let me introduce our team. I'm your host, Jelaine P. Legario, guiding through today's epic conversation. Following our tech experience and analysis.
I am Austin Retaga, your test expert for this video.
Hi everyone, I am Maria Angeli Erica F. Emanuel and I am the analyst.
Yeah. Following the gamer, the guest, and our members.
Hello everyone, I'm Gerard Angelo A. Garcia, the gamer for this group.
Hi everyone, my name is April de Guzman Alas, April for short. I'm going to play as the guest and YouTuber impressionist.
Hi everyone, I am Riza Kuriba and I'll be sharing both parts as member 1 and member 2.
Yeah. To start up, let's talk about why we pick Minecraft VR for this presentation. Any one of you? Yeah. Raisa.
We chose Minecraft VR because it's not just a game. Minecraft has been around for a long time and halos lahat sa atin we grow up playing it. It teaches us to be creative, to explore, and to build anything we imagine. Parang sa real life but in a safe, colorful, and exciting world. You can make houses, castles, farms, or even entire cities using blocks and your imagination. Now, when you add VR or the virtual reality, mas nagiging totoo yung experience. Hindi ka na basta tumitingin lang sa screen, you're inside the game. You can turn your head and look around, move your hands, and feel like you're walking in the Minecraft world. It becomes more immersive and it's like being transported to another place. You don't just play, parang you live in that world. That's why we chose it. It's fun, educational, and futuristic. It shows how games can also be tools for learning, teamwork, and creativity. And let's admit it. And cool ng feeling na ikaw mismo yung gumagalaw sa Minecraft. You're not just playing it and also you're experiencing it.
Yun. Great. Now, for for anyone who someone doesn't know, what is Minecraft known for? Any one of you? Ayun. Let's start with the analyst.
Hi again. So Minecraft is a sandbox game released in 2011 by Mojang. It's famous for its open world gameplay, blocky graphics, and limitless creative possibilities. You can build, explore, and survive. It is also known for being a game where creativity has no limits. It lets players explore a huge blocky world where everything, from mountains to animals and even monsters and entities that doesn't exist in real life, you can interact with them. And also you can build anything you can imagine, from simple houses to massive cities in the creative mode, or just survive by gathering resources and crafting tools and staying safe from monsters in survival mode. Aside from that, you can also enter other dimensions in Minecraft. And also, you can also play with your friends in real life. Minecraft Minecraft gives a unique mix of adventure, freedom, and fun. It's more than just a game. It's a place where imagination comes to life. You can be an architect or just a villager or anything you want. So that's all.
And others, for the others. Ayun. For our gamer,
Yo. So, alam nyo, Minecraft is sobrang kilala for its blocky graphics at yung open world na gameplay niya. Parang kahit anong maisip mong i-build is pwede mo siyang gawin. Bahay, castle, kahit isang buong city, ikaw bahala. It's also known for yung survival mode niya kung saan kailangan mo talagang mag-mine at mag-craft and mag-survive laban sa mga mobs like zombies at saka creepers. Yung creepers sumasabog yun. Tapos may creative mode din na parang sandbox where walang rules. Pure imagination mo lang ang magiging fuel ng lahat. Kaya siya nagiging iconic, lalo na sa mga gamers na mahilig sa building at exploration.
yun. May iba pa bang gustong sumagot? Ayun. For our guest.
So since Angeli and Garcia already mentioned the Minecraft summarization, I guess Minecraft is known for its blocky features. You know, when you see the Minecraft and you see the cube features, something like that, you will know it's Minecraft. And I guess it's also known for its creative and beautiful structures because you know it allows multiple players to uh, freely explore, to build other houses and farms, and that's all.
Yun. Thank you guys. For segment number 3, many famous content creators have played Minecraft VR. Who comes to your mind? But wait, let me show you some clips of it.
Good morning, gamers. Today is a dream come true. I'm in Minecraft. I am inside Minecraft. I've never done this before. I think I have to play an earlier version of Minecraft. So to keep the lore intact, this will basically be a fever dream for me. I think. Oh god. Oh my god. Broland! Hola Brita! I have steak! I have... Oh my god, how do I see? Oh, okay. Cool. Whoa! This is so cool! How do I eat it? Eat. Num num num. Am I full? Yeah, I'm full. Can I Hola Brita, I missed you! Oh my god, my slaves! Everyone is here. This is so awesome. Hola, I miss you so much! Oh, sorry. Can I pet you? Power of Llama! You look so epic! My god, it's even beautifuler in real life. Hey! Hey! Oh, I always wanted to do this. Go really close. Oh, I can smell them. Oh, they smell like... My boys! Sven's boyfriend! I'm so sorry. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Gomenne. Here, eat steak. I'm sorry. Stop! Eat! I'm living a nightmare! Oh god, take this away. Okay, here. Ah! Nom 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 nom. Okay, here. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. nom nom. He like it. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Nom nom. Yeah. Jurgen! Oh my god, Jurgen, you're so beautiful. Good dog. I mean horse. Oh my god. Jurgen! My man! Brofish. Epic! Okay, can I activate this? Whoa! Can I ride Jurgen? Oh! This is so awesome! Oh, it's laggy as well. Oh my god, I have my trident. Wait, let me hold it like this. Jurgen, let's freaking ride, baby. Oh, yeah! I hear spider. I need to kill. How do I throw the trident? There it is. Damn, I'm cool. Yeah. Oh, he kicked me off. Really? Sven! Oh, I missed you. Sven! Give me a hug. Oh, you're a good dog, Sven. Why did you leave me? Oh, eat. Eat. Oh my god, birch lasagna. The tree of life. Oh my god, IKEA tower. Oh my god! It's so big! You see this, Sven? Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh, I take a knee. For my fallen angels. Oh my god. This is so cool! It's a little wonky. I'm not using the official version. Oh my god, can I ride my gaming chair? Oh my god, I am in my gaming chair. Can I be in my gaming chair while I ride the gaming chair? Because that will be the ultimate experience of all time. Like this. Oh, it's super laggy for you. Don't come near me, Sven. I'm a monster. Oh my god, can I go up the meatball? Woo! Yes! My dream is coming true! Virgin Toad! What am I... Sven, you're not supposed to be here! Do I dare to jump, Sven? Of course! Wait, how do I jump? Sven, you're crazy! Oh, he's fine. Here we go. Hop! Hop! Oh, ow! That was awesome! Jump, Sven! I catch you! Awesome! Wow, I swim so fast in VR. This is so cool. Ooh, my first... Hey, Sven! What's up? I miss you so much. You're such a good boy. Oh, wait. Can I use the...
Yeah. That's it for the clip. So, any one of you guys answer my question. Many famous content creators have played Minecraft VR. Who comes into your mind? Anyone? Ayun. First is our guest.
So the one from the clip that was shown by our host is the YouTuber which was PewDiePie. I guess all of you know him. So he did that Minecraft VR or virtual reality way back in the year 2020. So pandemic siya. So since a lot of people were bored and cannot go outside, VR was really famous back then, especially it's pandemic. So as you notice, he was jumping in fear and laughing like crazy because of the exploration in Minecraft. And I'd also like to add some YouTuber who played Minecraft VR. Um, Kilala niyo naman siya. He was famous for being the legend itself. So, he was the late American YouTuber. He was known for his Minecraft videos, live streams, and involvements in Dreams SMP. So he is Technoblade, or we could call him Alexander. So yon, naglaro siya ng VR. So I salute him for playing VR because he was a legend. So if you guys saw already the movie Minecraft, credits dun si Technoblade. So yeah.
Ayun. Others. May gusto ba kayong dagdag? Ayan, for our analyst.
So Minecraft VR really caught a lot of attention of popular creators. So aside from PewDiePie na pinakita a while ago, also other creators like Captain Sparkles, Dream, and Tommy in it have all dived into it. So it's interesting because these players who spent years in the regular version of Minecraft is now playing VR, and it feels like it's still new, like it's still so I mean may I wait. So VR made it fresh again. So you can really see how being inside the world changes the way they play, react, and interact with the environment. It's like experiencing Minecraft all over again, but in a total new way. So that's all.
Ayan. Wow, that's it. And for our segment number 4, can anyone of you guys explain the Minecraft VR features? Ayan, for our text expert.
So let's dive into the AR and or augmented reality and VR, which is virtual reality features of Minecraft. Specifically, Minecraft virtual reality works with platforms like Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Windows Mixed Reality. So, especially sa laro na to is adventure game siya. Parang yung VR is na-enhance na yung gaming experience ng mga gamers natin to interact more to the game. So, what can you say about this gamer, Angelo?
Well, ibang level talaga yung Minecraft kapag sa VR ka na naglaro. As in, literal na ikaw na yung nasa loob ng Minecraft world mo. Pwede kang tumingin sa mga paligid mo, parang nandun ka talaga. Gamit mo pa yung VR headset mo na Oculus Rift ba yun? HTC Vive or Windows Mixed Reality. Tapos yung kamay mo, ginagamit mo pang may ng blocks, parang totoong pikaksa talaga. And most importantly, sobrang immersive niya. Kailangan mong yumuko minsan kapag may creeper na biglang susulpot sa likod mo. Nakakagulat. Pero masaya naman. Parang hindi na lang laro, experience na siya. Mas ramdam mo yung adventure at creativity ng Minecraft, lalo na kung mahilig ka sa exploration in a more realistic na way.
So there also a smooth move system or teleportation for players sensitive to motion sickness. Siyempre, when we are in VR, ginagamit natin siya visually. So, nakakahilo talaga siya. Kasi iba na yung reality na ginagalawan natin. And tactile feedback gives realistic sense interaction with block and tools. So, that's all po.
Ayun. Per our segment 5, can someone know how has Minecraft contributed to recent technology innovations? Ayun. Unahin natin si analyst.
So Minecraft is now used in education, architecture, and even in other urban planning. In VR, it is used for teaching STEM subjects in immersive classroom. But speaking of how Minecraft is used in education, one of our props even created an activity. Yung activity na yun is gagawa kami ng farm automation in Minecraft. And that's one of my favorite activities because who would have thought na gagawa kami ng activity using Minecraft, right? And sobrang saya niyang experience for me.
Ayan. May iba pa bang gustong sumagot? Like, sige, dun tayo kay text expert.
So, yung bagong technology na ni Mojang is parang ina-update niya pa yung Minecraft VR to be stabilized para sa continuous na evolving na technology natin. And to enhance din yung mga gaming experience, especially dun sa mga bagong computers na lumalabas ngayon.
Yun. Wow. I think per our number 6 segment, here is the rootable discussion, which is for you guys, what was your favorite part of trying Minecraft in VR? So, anyone? Yun. Let's start with the gamer.
Well, ako, definitely yung feeling na na may hawak akong espada tapos nakikipaglaban ako sa mga mobs. Siyempre iba yung thrill kapag may VR ka na. Parang real time ka talaga lumalaban, gumaganto-ganto ko. Chok, chok, chok. Kailangan mong iswing ng tama. Tapos makikita mo lumilipad na lang yung mga zombies or skeletons papunta sa'yo. Nakaka anong tawag dun sa word na yun? Nakaka-adrenaline siya. Lalo na kung gabi tapos biglang may creeper sa likod mo. Mapapareact ka talaga, papaganon ko. Sobrang saya. Parang action game na may Minecraft vibes pa rin.
Yun, wow. Grabe. Sino pa? Baka may gusto pang sumagot. Yan. For our analyst, Angeli.
So, ayun. I agree kay Garcia. Pero, for me naman, it was definitely the scale and perspective. Kasi, di ba, sa regular Minecraft, everything looks kind of flat on screen. But in VR, standing next to a towering Minecraft or looking up at a tree that feels twice your height is surreal. You really get a sense of how massive and alive that world is. Even something as simple as walking into a cave feels like entering a mysterious dark place you'd actually be nervous to explore. It's not just about seeing the world, it's about feeling like you're inside it.
So, ayun. Baka may gusto pang sumagot. Ayun. Para naman sa ating tech expert, Austin.
So for me yung katulad dun sa video kanina, parang nakikipag-interact sa mga animals niya. Then yung kamay niya, nakikita niya as pixel na iba din. So parang yung virtual niya talaga is parang nandun talaga siya sa game.
Ayun. Baka may gusto pang sumagot. Ayun. Para naman sa ating guest, April.
Ako gusto ko yung part na na nakikipag-interact ka sa animals kasi as a pet lover kasi parang alam mo yun, within the digital world, you can pet some of the dogs and pets, 'di ba? Tapos kasi yung yung pag-create mo ng house dun sa virtual reality ng Minecraft, lalo na yun, Bedrock Edition. So, mas fun siya, lalo na pag naka-creative ka. So it makes you feel like you're building your own house but in a virtual reality way. Tapos kasi yung gaya ng sabi ni Angeli, parang mo yon yung nakakita ka ng mountains and trees na mataas sa'yo. Kasi di ba when you're playing Minecraft in cellphone, parang wala lang, parang it's a normal game. Pero pag once you played it in a VR, parang alam mo yon, parang katabi mo lang yung trees, 'di ba? So ayun. Pero kung kayo tatanungin, Ano mas gusto nyo? VR ba or cellphone? Kasi ako mas prefer ko, siguro pag yung kapag gusto ko to add a little bit of fun, gusto ko VR. Kayo ba? Ano ba gusto? Ikaw ba, Jelaine?
For me, parang sobrang fun pag VR kasi syempre, parang ikaw na yung nandun eh. Parang ang exciting niya, di ba? Para sa'yo, Angelique, anong mas pipiliin mo? Yung VR or yung sa phone?
So, mas pipiliin ko yung VR kasi 'di ba yung sa phone, sanay na tayo like ang dami na nating time na naglalaro tayo sa phone. So, yung VR new naman siya. So, new experience tapos syempre mas maganda yun kasi damang-dama po talaga na parang nandun ka eh.
Oh, ayun. Para sa'yo, Raisa, ano yung mas prefer mo? VR or yung sa phone?
Yung sa VR, kasi yung parang literal na nasa loob ka ng game and ang cool ng experience ganun. And nakikita mo yung blocks, mobs, and environment in 360 degrees, di ba? Parang totoong buhay talaga ganun. Tapos kapag nagmamine ka, nagbi-build, ganun, parang hands-on talaga. And sobrang immersive and exciting. Ibang level ng gameplay kapag VR talaga. Yun lang.
Ayun. Para naman sa ating tech expert, anong mas prefer mo? VR or sa phone?
So, ang take ko dyan is para sa akin yung augmented reality. Kung magkakaroon man ng new invention si Mojang na pagsamahin yung reality yung reality talaga and the Minecraft creativity sa ating mga phone.
Yun. Last, para naman sa ating gamer, anong mas prefer mo? Yung sa phone or yung sa VR?
Kung may pera ako, sasagutin ko yung VR. Pero mahal yung mga VR ngayon.
Down.
Ang mahal talaga nun. Kung nakita niyo yung prices nun. Yung prices nun, upwards 10K. Yung Oculus Rift ninyong sinasabi. Ang mahal nun talaga. Pero, why not add a third option na lang? Sa PC ako naglalaro eh. Eh di sa PC pipiliin ko. Pero
Sige, sa
wala akong
cellphone
nakita
na lang
negative
ako.
sa
Cellphone na
wala
lang.
akong nakita negative sa VR. Wala. Maganda talaga siya. Napapa-exercise ka pa siguro dun.
So, I think
Pipiliin ko.
Ayun. So, I think maganda nga yung VR. Kaso, parang malabong ma-experience. Medyo pricey siya. So, ayun. Absolutely, I think what made this project fun wasn't just playing VR. It was understanding how a classic game keeps evolving with new technology. It's creative, it's educational, and it's proof that even pixelated blocks can lead to the future. For our last topic, so we go on to the conclusion. So to wrap up, Minecraft VR proves that even a game built on blocks can lead to monumental experience in AR and VR. It's creative, immersive, and brilliant example of how virtual reality is changing the future of gaming. Thanks for turning into game reality. And thank you guys for listening and thank you for joining to this game reality show. Thank you guys.
Bye guys. Laro tayo next time.
Laro na tayo.